How to change your display name online. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily change your display name on the Line app so that you can update your display name in just a few minutes. First things first, open the Line application on your smartphone and log in to your account. Once you're logged into the home page of Line, go ahead and click on the settings or the gear button at the top right corner. From the settings menu, select Profile. Under Profile, tap on Display Name and then enter a new name for your account. Now click on Save and you have successfully changed your display name online. Your display name is what your friends see in chats and your profile, but it does not change your Line account's ID. So that's how you successfully change your display name online. Now your friends will see your updated name whenever you message them. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.